just colours. No, all four. Okay. Just gone outside with the microphone. Round of applause for the commentator of the tractor pullers. All different rules. So there you go. Well, we can do that. Goes more than me.
Thank you very much, and hello Kelsall, and a really sunny Kelsall, and we are the Challenger Tractor Pullers. We've never been asked to do this before we go round the ring, but I hope that you know where we are. We are down at the end, as we're heading towards the exhibition directory, in the walking field there, and we've brought on a tractor pull for the weekend. So we start at 12 o'clock, pull till 2, stop for an hour, and then we pull 3 till 5. So we have brought you some tractors to show you what we use on the sledge. So as you see, Major is king. The Major tractor, the Kelsall Major, is such a fantastic tractor. It was designed to put 60-70 horse through it. But these boys and lasses are not happy with that. So we take the original engine out and we put a lorry engine in. So most of these are running with the D-Series cargo engines and the 7.5 ton lorries. So we have some V8s as well. So we put a different engine in to get extra horsepower. So a lot of these engines will start off about 150 horse. We then fuel them because that is king. We need as much fuel in them to get as much power. So we fuel them up and then produce a more powerful tractor. We then put them onto a sledge which we call Challenger, and then they have to pull it. Now the Challenger sledge is 14 ton in weight, and as it moves forward the weight transfers to the front and makes that tractor in the front have to work harder, and they have to find every little bit of horsepower in these tractors to pull the sledge. It's just entirely a little bit of fun, and we would love you to come down and come and see us. So as we go round, we're not in here for long because of course they do happen to get quite warm. The more fuel you put into these engines, the hotter they get. So we've got a bit of a selection. So like I said, mainly lorry engines, so we run through them. We have a 380, which would be about, which is max riders, which would be originally about 120, 130 horse. Definitely got a double that. We then have a 3 which we have down weather, a bit like Crisis. This was his bit like Crisis last year. He decided that fancy a little bit of going tractor pulling, as you do, and went out and bought this one. A lot of these tractors have gone round the circuit. It was originally built by Gary Chapman. Really nice tight motor. So that's got the 360 here. We have the Grey Ghost, which is called Mick Cullen. Lovely tractor, absolutely really smart tractor. So once again, 380. Taking a little bit serious, like a lot of these lads here. Taking out the cast flywheels, putting in steel cams, just fueling them up as much as we can. So then we also have a lady, which is Lydia Waterhouse. This is her tractor which she shares with her other half, Tom. Keeping it simple at the moment. This is a 360, but it only has a standard fuel pump on it, a Minimax fuel pump. Water injection on it, fueled up as much as it can, which of course makes them a little bit more temperamental and likely to break, and hopefully it won't this weekend. And this little tractor really does go well. It has been a smashing one for him, but hopefully smashing in the right term, shouldn't say too much. And then we have his reading, won't do it in here today, so we're quite safe. But if you perhaps come down and watch him tractor pulling, you never know. And then we have Jack. Now Jack has bought this tractor off his brother, which was the original tractor that started pulling us with the Roberts family. And that's another 380, and has been, might not be looking the most tiniest, but gosh, that tractor really pull well. And then we've got cousins, we keep it in the family here. We have Ben on his Major. And then we have a new addition. This is the Forest Flyer. This used to pull with us quite a few years ago. taster for you, and you should surely hear where we are. We'd be very disappointed if you don't find us at the bottom in the working field, putting a demonstration on for you. So they will give you another spin round, a few more reps, and then we will leave you to peace. So come on lads, let's have a little bit of noise. Show them how noisy. Come on ladies, we have Lydia of course. So a little bit more of this for you. Come and see these tractors pulling on a sledge. So like I say, we have the Challenger sledge just down at the bottom, and it's worth just coming and checking it out. We're totally and utterly nuts. Also, you see some of these gentlemen that won't quite look the same, because of course some of them will wear racing suits and helmets, so don't be frightened by them. They are just normal people. So no, thank you very much, and we will come and see you again tomorrow. But please come and see us. Thank you.